Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Little Geeks. And we're not sure what's in this box yet, but we know it's from Hasbro and it comes out tomorrow with $119. See what's in the box, Little Geeks, let's do it. Magic, magic. Holy moly, is that a real dog? It's Hasbro's Joy for All companion pets. Let's get this open. Oh, I forgot. For that, it comes with a card, a bone, a leash, and a bandana. Now let's get it open. Open. He's going to sleep. Oh, I love you. Let's go and put you to sleep. That's not how it works. How do you get him to sleep? He needs to go to sleep himself. The doggy. He's like, well, goodbye. Well, he's playing with that. I love you. I got you. Really serious. He bit my finger. I'll be right back. I love you. Like a real life puppy, when you talk to him, he turns your head. Open your mouth. Why is he not going to sleep? When you pet his back softly, you can feel his heartbeat. But I want him to go to sleep. There's an included leash that you could actually use for a real dog. It also comes with, I think, real dog bones. And so it's okay if the dog gets it. It's okay if they eat it. If you pet the back of the pup's head, it will move. And now he's laying. Aw, go to sleep. He's going to sleep. Open your mouth. I think his name should be... I think his name should be... Gary. Gizmo. 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 So rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Oh, no! Gary gets to do it. I get to name him Gary. Gary. Oh, I have an idea. Gary. That could be his first name, and then my name could be his last name. Gary. Gary. Gizmo. Gary. Gizmo. No, it's first. I'm calling him by his last name. 6 sensors, 1 microphone, and an on and off switch. Cute little paw. Say hi to the internet, Gary Gizmo. Hi. Hi. No, hi. Watch me whip, whip. Now watch me nay, nay. Hasbro's companion pet would be very good for people who are very lonely, and for people that want a dog or that are allergic to dogs. They could get it. What's the nice part of this, he won't pee on the floor and chew your toys. But he will poop. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. But that's paper. This is very good. I already said a minute ago, but now I'm happy. Hasbro's Joy for All dogs. They also have cats. He also blinks his eye. Remember, everyone, it's being launched tomorrow, October 3, and it's $119. Love him. I could also feel his heart beating. You could buy it, and it's very nice because it's very cute, and it's for ages 5 to 105. Open your mouth. Go, send the letter. So, thank you so much, Hasbro. He's very cute, and we can't make him to a part of our family. Cute doggy. Thanks for watching our Little Geeks video. Bye. Say bye. Then next on Little Geeks for more toys and more fun. Please like our video and subscribe for our YouTube channel.